Hi, I'm Sean McQuaid, and I'm a personal injury attorney. And I was asked to discuss how do you recover lost wages after a car accident. So here's the short answer. You have to have documentation to prove it. Okay, so what does that mean? What are your next steps? Well, if you're an hourly worker, I love to have your boss go through and write out a letter stating what your hourly rate was and how many hours you missed as a result of doctor's appointments or just simply not being able to work. But let's face it, that's pretty hard to get, and most companies, they just don't want to get involved in doing that. So what we have to do is we take your pay stub, we look at your pay stub for your hourly rate, and you'll have to go throughout the course of the case and document how much time you missed. And that means the second you left for a doctor's appointment, whatever amount of time you missed because you were unable to work. We compile that all and we use the gross amount of your wages and we calculate that, send it off to the insurance company, and we're usually pretty successful. All right, so let's say you don't work on an hourly basis. Let's say you're a contractor, for example, and you can't go out, you can't work because of your back or your neck. You can't do manual labor. Well, how do you prove that you were losing jobs? Well, the only way to do that is to document the job offers that came in and the quotes that you were going to give. And I know that's not easy, but that is the way that you recover for those lost jobs. So let's say that you own a business. Say that you can't work in the business and your gross amounts are down, your income is down. Well, how do you prove that it was related to the job, and how do you show that your income was down? Well, you have to show your tax returns year after year to show that the year that you sustained this injury, your income was down. We take that difference and we submit it to the insurance company for reimbursement. But ultimately, the key is to document the lost wages.